I heard Hobby Lobby has model kits on clearance. We're going to go in and find out. Hobby Lobby update. We're in Florence, Kentucky. Florence, y'all. See if they got anything new here. I like that Camaro kit. That's a good kit. It's a great kit. Shelby Z's looking new. There's a great hot rod kit if you guys are looking for a hot rod kit. So that's 30 bucks. You get it 40% off. That's a good price for that kit. Good kit. Lowrider kit. Speaking of which, I think they just come out with some lowrider stamps. Is that on clearance?
So's that one.
Oh, we found some clearance kits.
So's this one.
Were you snatching them all?
Hey,
I'm gonna see them before you.
What resellers do, buddy. There's still more if you want one.
Great kit right there to build a truck. That's a good kit to pull pork, the pulling truck. Another good kit too. Real good kit. It's a good kit. The Stranger Things.
Yeah, your buddy at STS has a bunch of those.
I got one on clearance for 8 bucks. All new tooling right there. Those are good kits.
They got a new one out now. Different body style.
Camaro kit's a good kit. Nova, that's $23, and if you get it at 40% off, that's a steal. And it also comes with an engine stand and engine. Spare one. I just built that in a 24-hour build. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Sorry. I'm getting in the way of the cameraman.
Clearance. All of a sudden it's gotten busy here, hasn't it?
It happens.
The Demon. It's a nice kit. Uh-oh, Fred Henry. You're missing one right there. I think the prices have gone down. People are saying prices are going up. That's gone down. Again, if you get that 40% off, that's a steal.
That ain't going down. Look at that.
Yeah, I know. We saw. Yeah.
Which one?
The Corvette. That's that new tooling, man.
That's new tooling. How much they got on it?
50 probably. I don't know what's on it.
What's on it?
This one?
Yeah.
$43.99.
Yeah, 40% off. That ain't a bad price.
Where are you seeing 40%?
Not right now. Next week.
Oh, is it
Every
It's
year
on
they
sale.
have 40% off. They got a couple clearance models like that Thunderbird.
$7.50. Can't beat that.
You'll see a bunch of those at the swap meets, Tim.
What's that?
These
Oh, I know.
Thunderbirds.
Yeah, they've lowered the prices.
Really?
Yeah. They were a lot higher than that a year or two ago. They were carrying a lot more Gundams too, which is nice.
I never even looked at them. I'm looking at them now because you're saying it here.
They're cool. They're fun to build. Don't poo-poo the Gundams.
No, not for me, buddy.
Yeah, he's poo-pooing them. He's a poo-pooer.
I kind of like this thing.
Are you a poo-pooer?
Oh,
That looks cool. That's a fun one to build. You want to get kids in the hobby? Buy them that. Teach them how to do engines.
oh, it's on sale.
50 bucks. That's fine.
There's empty jars
Another clearance item.
Yeah, they are, honey. What does it say? That's fine. Enamel is paint. Do you want to go look at the other paints?
Anything else on clearance?
These
Yeah.
are model
I don't know what we've got here.
What all models you got in your hand that are on clearance?
Thunderbird, 2 Thunderbirds, and a Datsun.
Let me see that Datsun.
Or not a Datsun, a Toyota Supra.
For $8 and a quarter. That'll work.
They got a couple more over there.
We got more. We got 2 Thunderbirds.
Just gotta go home and avoid the wife for a couple hours.
Got tools. And we got some paints over here. Let's check out the paints.
Right here's your paint can. 99 cents.
Here's my favorite spray paint. This line right here. It's Extreme Lacquer. Love this line. All those great paints. It's my favorite clear too.
Hey, these are cool. These right here. Those are neat.
Okay.
I got one of those, man. It's a neat little thing to play with.
All your
Sorry.
pain in the ass.
I was gonna look
Jeez.
at the $9 airbrush, man.
Yeah, I know the guy I'm with. He's a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
And he knows it too. Ask his wife. All these paints are 99 cents. You got what, 40 of these last
I got
night?
28.
28 of them.
Man,
That's why there's none left.
there wasn't that many left when I came in here.
So this is a good airbrush?
It's a marker airbrush. It's one used with markers.
Oh,
mine?
yeah, that's where it came
Yeah, that's
from.
pretty cool, man.
Okay.
So what we got? Airbrush water-based weathering paint. Huh. What's in there?
Who are you? Your hat says it all. Oh, STS. Ah.
I wonder if these are worth buying.
Also, don't poo-poo the train aisle or train supplies, diorama supplies, whatever you want to call it. They got rockets. Got all the Metal Earth. It is busy through here.
Garrett line one, thank you.
All the basswood and balsa woods on clearance too.
These balls, what can we use these balls for? What are these? Oh my god. Oh wow, how much are those?
Got some display cases. These are nice display cases. You can put a semi in there.
A rolling garbage can.
Got some die cast. That's cool looking. I like that. You buying them all? You buying them
Nope,
all?
I'm not buying them all. I left some over there.
Well, you got a handful.
I'm buying 2 of each.
I'm gonna show the handful.
Don't show people. They won't buy them from me. I like the concrete train, man. That's bad. You're killing me.
You should have said you were
You know what?
keeping
I'll
them.
hold on to them.
You're gonna hold on to them now.
Oh, look, a square body. How much?
Yeah, you got your hands full.
I know.
I don't know how much. It's $40.
Nope. Too much for me, buddy.
Yeah, too much for you.
I'm a cheapskate.
All right.
Can't you tell?
A lot of cool cars. But that is Hobby Lobby. Again, they got some kits on clearance. Take advantage of it, guys. And pick up some good deals because they're going fast. Terry just picked up a bunch of stuff. Yes, I know him. That's why I said he's a pain in the ass. I'm just messing with him. But they got all kinds of stuff on clearance. Some die cast, to model cars, the basswood, balsa wood, you name it. And even paints. So make sure you go down and check out the paints, because those are on clearance too. We will see you guys on the next video on... Did I show that? Did I show that? Yeah, I showed that on clearance. Throttle Power. Alright, that's the Hobby Lobby in Florence, Kentucky. Florence, y'all, let me know if your Hobby Lobby has model kits on clearance and if you got any. Check out the paints too. We'll see you guys on the next video on Throttle Power.